Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to my channel. Today we are learn about CTET CDP chapter number first, growth and development. First is growth. So now we know that what is the growth. When our body structure and shape starts growing, that is known growth. Growth is external level. Number third point is growth stop or time span. Number fourth point, growth is not a sequential process. Example, at a time there is growth in our height, whereas at other times there is growth in our weight. Point number fifth is growth can be measured. Example, we can measure our height and weight. Number 6 point, growth is only quantitative. Number 7, because of growth there may be or not may be development. Example, when a person is gaining weight, it is not necessary that his IQ is also increasing. Now we see our next point, development. There are many differences between growth and development. Now we see. Number first point is where there is maturity in our mental, social, emotional and intellectual pattern, this is known a development. Number second point, development is both our external and internal level. Number third point, development continues throughout our life. Point number 4, development is a sequential process. We can develop as much as we want. Mental development, social development happens as per our efforts and wishes. Point number 5, development can't be measured directly. Example, our social or moral development cannot be measured. However, our mental development. Point number 6, development is both quantitative and qualitative. Point number 7, development is possible without growth. Also, some people may not grow in shape, height, weight, but there is development in their moral social development. Now we see our next point, maturation. Its definition is maturation, process of maturity, the process of becoming mature, more developed. All in all, we are talking about puberty. Maturity is related to heredity. When we grow, maturity will come. Now we see our next point, domain of development. Domain is multidimensional and multidirectional. There are two types of development. First is physical development and second is motor development. Everyone knows that physical development is a nominal. When we grow, physical development is we can see in our body, and there is a different type of motor development. In motor development, a motor skill is a function that involves specific movements of the body like tongue, eyes, muscles to perform a certain task called motor development. There are two types of motor development, gross motor skill and fine motor skill. Now we see about gross motor skills. Definition, our muscles is more and more used in this skill. Example, swimming, running, cycling, walk confidently, run smoothly, ride a tricycle, spin in cycles, use a swing. Now we see about fine motor skill. In this skill, muscles is used very short. Example, pulling object from a basket, scrubbing, stitching books and other things and coloring. Example, see in this picture. We can see that in this picture that two children are working something, but their muscles is used very shortly. Thanks for watching my video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Jazakallahu khairan kaseera.